be showing you guys how to use the for loop. So first, what you want to do is create a script, obviously, and here's how you write like a normal loop, one without tables. So this variable after for, it can be like literally anything. So I'm just gonna name it count. Then you have to put an equal sign, and basically we're just counting like from 1 to, let's say, 10. Let's make it count to 10. And then after the 10 you could put by how many, like go up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers at a time. You can also do negative numbers, but if you're going to do a negative number, you'd want to put the bigger number first. So for this situation, I'm just going to be doing 1, 10. Put a do after, and you have a for loop there. So this is where you want to put your code, like what you want to do. What I'm going to make is a bunch of parts. So I'm going to make a part. Just this instance on new part. Oops. Part. I want to parent this part to the workspace. That's what I want to do. And let's make it 10 times. Yep. Run. Also, it will not crash the game like most of the times if you forget to put a wait like I just did right now. See, my 10 parts are created. You can also add a wait at the end. I'm going to put mine for 2 seconds. And it creates the part. See? It'll take a while, but it'll create 10 parts eventually. And that's how you use the basic for loop. Now to use the other with tables. So first I'll be showing you like with an actual table. So let's make a table. So name a table, and you want to, actually wait, you can't do that. Table with an uppercase. And put those weird parentheses, the curving ones. And you can just enter whatever you want here. I'm going to enter just some string values like hello. Remember a comma after. Hi. And yes. I don't know why. But that's just the table. So for for loop, you just wanted this one, you can just name it whatever. Like this value, you can name it whatever, it's variable. This is like the count, like you know how I named the first variable the other for loop count. This is just this. It's the same thing. And then after that, you want to name, like this is what it's going to. Like let's say this is the table, this is the string of my table. So I can just name it string. Or I guess I can't, string. String with the uppercase. And now we want to use in pairs because it's a table. And you want to put the table in there. Don't have to do get children or anything because it's already a table. And put a do, and it'll loop through. So I could just do print string, and it'll print it. I'm going to add a wait of 2 seconds. Hello, hi, and yes. See, it does it. For loops are pretty simple. Alright, so here's how to use a for loop for models. So don't ignore this. So we want to start with for. This is the number it's going to looping through. So like if it's the first block, second block, you can just put it as whatever. This, I would name this part. It's the variable, like it's what part we're looping through. So you can see I have a model here and there's a bunch of parts. This represents what part we're going through. In pairs, that's what you use to loop through models, or like things that have children. Workspace dot model get children and do. So I wanna loop through the parts. I wanna change the color. Equal to brick color dot new brick yellow. We'll add a wait of 2 seconds. Oh, accidentally loaded in the wrong way. But as you can see, it changed all the colors every 2 seconds. That's how you use them for models. You can also use, it's pretty useful, like changing things in models, or moving things sometimes, or yeah, whatever. You can also use it for players. You could do, hold on, let me just, game.players get children player, new player that character that humanoid root part that c frame is equal to player that character that humanoid root part that c frame plus, actually, yeah, humanoid, let me just, yeah, c frame plus vector 3 0 comma 0 comma or 10 comma 0. Could do, wait, we'll wait 6 seconds so there's actually players, and we'll print when it's moved. Print moved and play. This should move my character up by 6 studs or 10. I forgot. See, it did move. It moved my character. That's pretty much all there is to for loops. Thank you for watching. See you later.